All right.
So,
Adventures of Ryan E. and big dog called Rocco. we're dog sitting, right?
Yeah.
We're dog sitting for Rocco boy. Rocco, come here. Rocco boy. Rocco. Rocco. And this is Rocco. Rocco's gonna add an element of error to our experiment today. Oh, Rocco. Oh, Rocco. Alright, so let's explain what's happening here. And we have Monster Rocco. Alright, so we have from Daddy's classroom a marble track, right? Where we study different types of Roccos, different types of energies, and we look at the difference in ramps and how that may affect velocity or acceleration, or you can apply different forces to the marble to see how far they go, or all sorts of cool things in physical science. But we're not doing that tonight. We have a series of cars here, right? You sit on the other side, bud. And what we're gonna do, so we play this game a lot here.
Yeah.
We just haven't recorded any videos about it. So basically what we do is we put the cars on there. We pick a track. So you either have a blue track, a Rocco track, a yellow track, a green track, or a red track.
Well, the yellow track doesn't work.
And the yellow. So there's like this rubber tubing, this airline tubing that goes in there to kind of hold the marbles, which fell off on the yellow one.
So, but Ben, only for these cars, this one works.
True. So basically the objective here is to position your ramp, and we want to see what car can get closest to the gate, the saddle, the wooden saddle in front of it, without actually hitting the wood.
Yeah, right? We did in our previous video, but just with our hands.
Oh, we did do one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just with our hands. This one is with the marble track.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
All right, so basically we're just, he and I are working together here, and we're going to see which actual car can go can get to the gate, right?
Yeah.
Without hitting it.
And these are all judges.
Oh, they're all the judges?
Yeah.
All right, let me zoom in on those judges. Rocco?
Because these are not the cars.
All right, I see like Duke Kaboom, Yoshi's over there. It's 9:36 at night if you're wondering. I'm totally being lazy and not going over there.
Here, Yoshi, Barney, Boom, Buzz, Pete. No, wait. Bubble Maker, number 3, McDonald's car, Pokemon car,
The Pope.
oh, police car.
All right, come back, E. Let's get it rolling here. All right, you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
I'm gonna go first.
All right, so who are you picking first, E?
I'm gonna do the simple to start.
Well, you got to see it. We got to show the car. All right, that's from one of the car movies. Okay. All right, Daddy's turn.
I don't think he's gonna.
So Daddy's gonna go with one of the lightnings. All right, I'll pick the red track.
Do you know I said both of those worked on okay?
No, not bad on red. All right, who's the next player? Who's that?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee?
Yeah.
Alright, Ethan's going with green track for Bumblebee.
Red. I don't know. Do we know it?
Red track. Very good. B. Down. Oh, and under for a wall hit. Which is pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Daddy's gonna go with one of his childhood toys. Donald Duck. In his vintage car. From the early 1980s, probably. Alright, we're gonna go with Donald Duck down the red track.
Green, Daddy.
Well, he's better on green?
Yeah.
Alright, Donald Duck. We'll change you, buddy.
but Dad, he's what I'm doing.
No, maybe not that time. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Rocco's gonna interfere with our positioning. All right, who's next?
I would go with. Now, this is a new toy. Why I got.
Oh, you just got this in
Yeah.
what's the name of that store? GameStop. When we went to the Toys R Us. Toys R Us is back, and we went to the one because we live in New Jersey.
What?
And we went back to the one in Paramus the other day.
And
Although we didn't film in there.
here's some toys. What? Here's some toys while we're in the thing.
Oh, hey, one at a time, my man, Goo. Here. All right, it's your turn to run this one, right? So this is one of our new cars. Ethan got it for $2. Oh. No, the other one made contact with the wall. All right, I'm gonna go. Let me have my favorite car. All right, so let's see how you reposition it here. So Daddy's gonna go with his favorite. Hank and Dory.
He's really good. Yeah.
That's pretty good. Jeez. That's pretty good with this one. All right.
Oh, Bumblebee's in the lead, Daddy.
Bumblebee's in the lead, not for long. So here comes my man Hank and Dory.
I do that.
So much for that. All right. Who are you picking? Who are you picking?
I'm picking Cyborg.
Let me see Cyborg. We gotta see him. Oh, Cyborg. All right.
He's also a kind of new dog.
He's going with Cyborg on the green track.
Oh,
Not bad, not bad. All right, I'm gonna go with. Let me have my man Thanos see. We're gonna try to sneak. We're gonna try to sneak Thanos around here. You have Thanos? All right, so we have Thanos. We're gonna try to sneak Thanos around that left side. All right, be good, Thanos. Sometimes Thanos likes to flip over. Come on, don't hit. Oh! We gotta get a closer view of that historic run by. Pretty good. So far, Thanos is in the lead. You see the wooden saddle, so the objective is to get as close to the wooden saddle without hitting the wooden saddle. It looks like Thanos is doing pretty good.
Daddy, so if you hit this,
Hey, get that guy out of there.
Daddy, so if you hit this, you won't beat him, right?
No, you gotta get close now, right?
Yeah.
Right, Rocco boy? Oh, Rocco's positioning cars. Rocco, don't hit Thanos into there, man. I'll lose. Yeah, Rocco, get out of there. Come on, go back over there. Come on. Rocco, don't hit the car, dude. Rocco, no. All right, good boy. All right, who you going with next? All right, who does he have next?
I want the same side.
What's the next car, bro?
Can you put me back in the same side?
All right, who'd you go with? Let me see the car, bud. So this was little like Spider-Man scooter or something?
Yeah.
This little
It's
motorcycle.
so good.
Ethan's likes this one. All right, so now we made it interesting, Thanos. What track you going on here?
Green.
He's going on green track. There he goes. Well, that's a nice run. Donk. Quality run. But not enough to beat Thanos.
I need to hit that.
All right, my turn. Excuse me, Rocco.
Hit that.
My turn, bud. I'm gonna go with. I can't see. Ethan, I can't select the car. I'm gonna go with. Where's one of our new cars? Nah. Where's our Star Wars cars?
Right here.
Who's this? Kylo Ren. All right. I'm gonna go with Kylo Ren. It's a cool car. Got that at Target. All right, so we'll run Kylo Ren on the red track.
Yeah, R2-D2's watching.
Yeah, because he said that to it. And oh.
Not bad. All right, who are you picking?
Me?
He's repositioning his track to try to get to beat Thanos. And what car are you gonna select, E?
I'm trying to hit them.
That means you need something straight.
I know.
Oh, he's trying to bump Thanos into the saddle, which would then disqualify me.
Come on.
Good strategy. Oh, and he's going with who? Let me see the car. We gotta show everyone the car. He's going with Rex from Toy Story. Alright, go.
I know.
Oh, the boys know that Rex goes straight. Could he get Thanos in the back and advance the car?
Super fast.
Super fast and straight. Let's see. Let's zoom in on Thanos and see what happens.
What track are you on, Mommy?
Red.
Red track. Let him rip. Here he goes. I hear it. Oh! Slightly to the left, Rocco boy. Alright, my turn. Alright, my turn. Alright, so I'm gonna go with a blocker to try to block this up with
I'm so sorry.
Lightning McQueen. We're also gonna put Lightning McQueen on the red track. Rocco's gonna check that out as it goes down. Watch out, Rocco boy. Rocco, this is probably the best spot for your snout. Make it bonk with it. Excuse me, Rocco. Got a car coming your way, buddy. Watch out, Rocco! Yep, nothing. Who are you going with next?
Again, with
The wooden car? Let me see. Oh, the wooden car is another classic that we use a lot. Not quite sure where this came from, but it does perform well here. Let's see. Can Ethan bump Thanos? What track are you going with?
Red.
Going with the red track with the green car.
Or you could bump Rex, Daddy. Because then he'll hit and you won't.
Alright, let's go. There he goes.
Come on, come on. No!
Oh, underneath the little TV
What?
cabinet. You're blocking my cars. Alright, I'm gonna go with the white car here.
Just hold that. That's what you say too.
Alright, let's see. Let's move the track over.
I take another switch on.
Let's see. Oh, Rocco, hey. Alright. Little lick in the face for the cameraman. We're gonna go on green track with a white car.
You're red, but okay.
Not bad.
And just block my view.
We got a block. Who are you going with? Who?
He's another switch one.
Who's this guy? Let me see.
Totally at 5 below.
Oh, this is from Five Below? Let me see. Alright, so we got this one in Five Below. It's a cool car. Oops, see. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What track you going on?
Green.
So he's going on green track. Let's see what's happening with Thanos over there.
Oh!
Not too bad. Alright. I'm gonna try to sneak through there with Alien from Toy Story. And I'll go on the green track. Ooh. Got through the pocket, but...
He's right there. I'm trying to hit my Ultron, move him.
Who are you going
he
with, bro?
lets-
Let me see. And Ethan selected... Whose car is this? Superman's?
Yes.
Ooh, Superman.
So,
What track?
So my strategy is to go down, hit my dot, and move him all the way to left, and then I don't need.
Let's see.
An angle for him. That's it.
What track you go? Oh, blue track. What? Oh, nice run, Superman.
He hit someone on the way.
Yeah,
His power slowed him down.
true. Alright, so I'm going to jump in on Ethan's side over there. And I'm going to go with... Let's keep the DC Justice League theme here.
Aquaman?
I'm going to go with... This was my favorite car for a little bit. And we'll go with... We'll keep it uniform with the blue track, too. Let's see what happens. Oh, wonderful. That was not good. Alright, who's he going with? Let me see.
Zebra.
So Ethan's going with
Zebra.
one of our classics. You've seen this in other Hot Wheels competitions we've had. I believe this won one of our past competitions. No, never?
Yeah, it won with me once, I remember.
One.
Zebra car.
The orange one also.
All right.
I told him
Okay.
in. Daddy, and then this
True.
one before.
Yes, you did. All right, what lane we're going in?
This one over here.
Oh, he's repositioning the track. And what lane you going in?
Red.
He's going in red lane. A zebra car.
I did two so they see it.
Nice
No.
turn, but nothing. All right, we'll keep it like that. And that is gonna go one of his favorites,
Bo Peep.
Bo Peep. Cool car from Toy Story.
I remember
And I will use go for the curve with the green track.
she wanted one.
Oh, apparently not.
Bye bye.
Oh well. So
Woody.
much for that. Oh, Ethan's gonna go with another Toy Story legend, Woody. Here you go, bud. What lane you going with? What track for Woody?
Red.
Last three cars, one of us.
He's going with the red track for Woody. Looking to do a crazy turn here.
No?
All right, go.
Just straight.
All right, go. Straight. But you're never gonna get to down.
I know. I know everything.
All right.
I'm gonna hit him.
So I'm gonna move this over a little bit. I'm gonna try to get through that lane. Right there, that pocket. And I'm gonna go with this cool red car. Where'd this come from? Is this pink?
Is that the one that has a seat next to it?
No.
This is a new one.
Yes, from that
Alright.
new Toys R
And I'm gonna
Us.
go with green track.
From
From the return of Toys R Us. Nice run.
He passed the other one.
True. Which one you going with?
Who's this? What?
Alright, he's going with that one?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
And we were gonna try to do that. You know what?
Where'd this car come from? The new Toys R Us?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You wanna know what we call them?
Damn.
What?
A Hornet.
The Hornet? Here. What track?
Look like a Hornet?
I guess, maybe a little bit. He's repositioning the track,
I know.
trying to bump Thanos
Yes, I am.
to disqualify me.
Yes, I am.
Let's see
I
if
don't want you to win.
right now Thanos is winning.
Hey. They won.
Doing a redo on that?
It ate the star.
Whoa, where's that guy going? Well, that's a nice run, but not equivalent in position to Thanos.
How does he do that? That must have a major curve on it.
Yeah, he does. Alright, let's see what that's picking now. Alrighty, I'm gonna go with
But you have to do this only to make him go.
what is that?
His power mode.
His power mode?
Yeah.
How do you get his power mode out?
This, the little black thing.
Alright, so whatever that is,
I think
some
it's
little
in the second seat.
appendage. We're gonna send that one out. Oh, hit the pocket pretty nice, but didn't go through. Alrighty,
What is that?
your pick, buddy. Who you going with? Alright, let me see who we have. What do you call this one?
Doctor.
Dark?
I have to call him in too.
Yeah.
Came up the name of Dark Car when he was white.
Oh,
Remember that?
true. Here. Yeah, you're right. Which lane?
But now he's called the Rainbow Car.
Oh, alright. We changed his name. Gave him some color. He's repositioning the track to the far left. Trying to go around Hank and Dory there. You're going for Thanos again? What track? Green track. We're going for a Thanos hit to disqualify him on the green track. There he goes.
Where actually?
Oh, where? Nope. Alright. Next, I'm gonna go with. Does this car have a name, or is it just like the red
Red
car?
car.
Red car, appropriate name. We're gonna go a red car
And
and a Rocco. We're gonna go a red car on the green track.
You want to hit
Watch out, Rocco boy.
Oh.
Oh no, Rocco, don't hit Thanos. Rocco, don't move your left paw, dude. No, Rocco. Oh, whoa, close call. Alrighty, who's he going with?
The didn't have me sick.
Which one's skill car? This one?
Yeah.
No one's still teaching yet.
Two.
He wanted them once.
Skill car?
Oh.
Alrighty, here's skill car. What lane you going with? Here, Ethan. What track we're going with skill car?
Still. I'm still gonna hit you.
Still going for Thanos. Rocco almost got Thanos minutes ago. Let's see. Oh, quality run. Illegal track there.
How did he
Let's
hit?
go. Daddy's gonna go with this car. You can put it on the track for me. Let's go with green, please.
Hey, you wouldn't hit my car. Okay.
Interesting.
And now.
Rocco's going in the other room. Alright, we only have 2 cars left, D. Which one do you want? Can I see? Alright, Ethan, we only have 2 left to disqualify Thanos.
That would have been one of my first ones.
Here, some orange car. Does this have a name or is it just the orange car?
Also.
Orange car. Uh-oh.
Come on, Rocco.
Come on, Rocco. Get away from that Thanos. Alright, go ahead, E.
Hit.
Let's go. Could he do it?
Hit that. Hit that. Hit that. Move away. We're not on why I saw that.
Set him down, E.
Mark one. No.
Nothing. And the last car is gonna be
Dino time.
Dino car. Alright, put Dino in there for me. I'm gonna go with the red track, please. That's it, Rocco boy. We have a winner. Let's go over there before Rocco interferes. Excuse me.
Okay, Dad, check.
Alright, so let's see. So by peeking at this real quick, it looks like Rex won, but like Ethan said, Rex hit the saddle, right? The fence. So, no good. So that means the winner of this challenge, right? Rocco, who won, buddy? Rocco, who won?
No.
Rocco boy. Rocco boy. Hey, Rocco boy, look.
Who won?
Rocco boy. Hey, buddy.
Who won?
Who won, Rocco? Look.
Oh,
Thanos.
No.
Alright, we had some fun with Rocco, right?
Yeah.
Thanos is the victor.
Oh.
See ya.
Oh.
Hope you enjoyed the little race.